Hello, my name is Peter Magpayo, and I'm a scanning specialist with Kevin Root Medical. The purpose of this video is to go through how to open and explore the various features of the main menu in the Foot ID app. From the home screen of the Foot ID app, tap the 3-bar icon on the top right of the screen to open the main menu. The main menu will then slide out from the left of the screen and you'll be able to view its features. At the top of the main menu, you'll see Home. Selecting Home will exit the main menu and take you back to the Foot ID home screen. Below Home is New Foot ID. Selecting New Foot ID will allow you to add a patient just like the New Foot ID icon on the home screen. Let's go ahead and add a new patient. Enter the patient's first name, last name, and date of birth. Then you'll have the option to add a scan, add a form, add a photo, or add a video. For this example, we'll just add patient, and you'll see the new patient's information screen. Let's go back to the home screen and back to the main menu. Below New Foot ID is Manage Patients. Selecting Manage Patients will take you to the List of Patients screen. From here, you have the option to add or delete a patient. You can also select and edit a patient's information, add a scan, scan and add a form, add a picture, or add a video to the selected patient's file. Below Manage Patients is Manage Clinicians. Selecting Manage Clinicians will allow you to add or delete a clinician to the Foot ID app. Let's go ahead and add a clinician. Enter the clinician's first name, last name, contact number, the name of the clinic, and the clinician email. Then select Add Clinician. Below Manage Clinicians, you have Share Foot ID. Selecting Share Foot ID will allow you to share Foot ID with your colleagues via instant message, email, or the various options available. Below Share Foot ID is Learn to Scan. Selecting Learn to Scan will give you access to the tutorial slideshow and videos on scanning your patient's feet. These tutorials explain the scanning process thoroughly and are a good resource for getting familiar with the scanning process. Below Learn to Scan is the link for email support. Selecting Email Support We'll open up a support request email directly to hello@kevinrootmedical.com for any issues you may be having with the Foot ID app. And below email support, you can select privacy policy and terms of use to view the documentation regarding either topic. Finally, at the bottom of the main menu, you have the option to log out of Foot ID completely. Thank you for watching, and take care.